Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you an amazing chicken recipe. We're making honey garlic chicken thigh skewers. This recipe is so easy to make and it's extremely delicious. Let's get started. We're using 1.5 to 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs for this recipe. We're going to start by cutting up the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Once all the chicken thighs are cut up, go ahead and transfer into a mixing bowl. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, salt and black pepper to taste. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then mix everything together very well. Once everything is very well mixed in, we're going to let the chicken marinate for 6 to 8 hours. I'm going to cover the bowl, then keep this in the refrigerator. So if you're using wooden skewers and you don't want them to burn in the oven, make sure you soak them in water for about 20 minutes. Also, make sure you have a rack over a baking pan for baking the chicken. As soon as the chicken is done marinating, you're going to start threading the pieces onto the skewer. If a piece of chicken is too long, make sure you thread it twice through the skewer, that way it's not dangling off. Once the skewer is full, place it over the rack. Repeat the process with the other skewers until all the chicken is threaded. When you place the chicken over the rack, make sure they're spaced apart. Next, you're going to preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, then roast the chicken for 15 minutes. After the chicken has roasted for 15 minutes, turn them over and let them roast for 5 more minutes. Last, I put my oven at the broil setting and let the chicken broil for 3 more minutes. This will get the chicken looking nice and golden brown. This honey garlic chicken thigh skewers came out so flavorful and very delicious. The chicken is very tender, juicy, and so tasty. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.